Look down. Got to get it up today.
Bring your left foot up higher. There you go. Get her up there. Get her up there on the other side.
What am I doing right now? I mean,
Is it scary up there? Ew!
that's so funny. I don't need to prove this to anybody. I'm good. I'm strong. I don't need to do this.
Right. You're doing great, Shannon.
Go! There you go.
My arms aren't strong enough.
I don't want to do this anymore.
Coming up.
My arms are... My arms aren't strong enough.